So welcome back to Master Academy of Mathematics. It's the next continuation topic in multiple integrals. It is volume by double integral. So you are using only the double integral for the given equation so that you are calculating the volume. I just give you a brief procedure and directly we enter into the problem. You are considering only the xy plane where z is always taken as 0 while calculating the limits. And by the given equations, you are just calculating the limits of x and y variable. Only you are focusing on x and y variables. And the volume can be calculated by using a formula double integral z dy dx. So here z, don't take it as 0. This z is nothing but it is by the given equation you write down the z value. And x limits and y limits, directly do the double integration. You will get volume corresponding to the given equation by applying double integral. And problems. Now let us have a problem. Find the volume of an equation is given x by a plus y by b plus z by c equal to 1 by the double integration. So you are using only the double integration to get the value. But before going to start that particular value, in xy plane, what is the value of z? It is always taken as z equal to 0. So this z value you are substituting in your given equation so that you will get x by a plus y by b, that becomes 0, that is equal to 1. From this you calculate only y by b equal to 1 minus x by a, or I can write only y equal to b into 1 minus x by a. So therefore you are saying that the y limits are only 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. So y limits are over. Now in order to get the x limits, you are just supposing y equal to 0 in the previous equation. If I write y equal to 0 there, 0 equal to b into 1 minus x by a, or from that you can b is not equal to 0, so 1 minus x by a equal to 0, or I can say that x equal to a. So therefore you can say that the x limits are 0 to a. So we have calculated both the x and y limits. So therefore I am calculating the volume. The definition for volume is write down x limits, it is 0 to a, and y limits 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, and as per the formula z into dy dx. This is the formula to get your value. So x limits 0 to a, y limits 0 to b into 1 minus x by a, and how to get the z? Don't write 0. Its z is calculated by using your given equation. That is nothing but c into 1 minus x by a minus y by b. This is of dy dx. Now let us do the integration. So it is c constant that you are taking out of the integral, x equal to 0 to a. I am doing the integration with respect to y. So one integration is y minus x by a constant into y minus 1 by b constant. Y integration is y square by 2. So write down the y limits 0 to b into 1 minus x by a. Still we have here it is dx. Now this is c, integral x equal to 0 to a. I am substituting the limits. So b into 1 minus x by a minus x by a as it is. In the place of y, b into 1 minus x by a, and minus 1 divided by 2b constant. Y square means b square into 1 minus x by a whole square. This is about upper limit. Minus lower limit, total it is equal to 0. This is of dx. Now just you do the simplification. See, x equal to 0 to a. So it is b into 1 minus x by a, and minus b by a, just I am writing as it is, multiplying with x minus x square by a, and minus 1b is cancelled, b by 2 into 1 minus x by a whole square. So this is of dx. Now come from the complete terms, I am taking b is common, so it is bc, Now you do the integration with respect to x variable. Integral of 1 is x minus 1 by a into x square by 2 minus b already taken common. 1 by a into it becomes x square by 2 minus 1 by a into x cube by 3. Okay, minus b already taken common. 1 by 2, it is nothing but some x to the power of n type. So 1 minus x by a, it is whole cube divided by 3 into x coefficient value. What is the x coefficient value? Minus 1 by a. So this is the easiest way to get your values and the x equal to 0 to a. Now I am substituting the upper limit here. So directly a minus 1 by 2a into a square minus 1 by a, it is a square by 2 minus 1 by a into it is a cube by 3 minus 1 by 2 into, if I write x equal to a there, so 1 minus a by a, it becomes 1. 1 minus 1 is totally 0. So upper limit is over. Now coming to the lower limit, x equal to 0. First term 0, next term 0, this term is also 0, and last you are getting, it is plus. So 1 by 2 into, if I write x equal to 0, 1 divided by 3 into minus 1 by a. So this is, you are getting the value. Now this is equal to BC. So just you do the simplification, a minus, on cancellation you will get a by 2 minus 1 by a into, it is a square by 2 minus a square by 3. Similarly, this value becomes 0 and that is nothing but minus. So a divided by, you will get 6. Okay. So now this is equal to BC as it is. So a minus a by 2, it is, on taking LCM, you will get 2a minus a is nothing but a. So you will get a by 2 minus, it is 1 by a you are keeping as it is. If I take a square is common, so that you are getting 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. It is 6 is LCM. So 3 minus, it is 3 minus 2 is 1. So total you are getting a square by 6. Coming to the next value, a by 6. So here it is BC, you are getting a by 2 minus, on cancellation you will get a by 6 and minus a by 6. So what about the value? If I take a is common, so ABC, and so a is common here, so that you are getting 1 by 2 minus 1 by 6, minus 1 by 6 means minus 2 by 6. So totally you are getting ABC, here LCM is 6, so 2 3s are minus 2. So final answer is nothing but ABC divided by 6. So this is the value corresponding to the given equation. So let us have certain exercise problems here. Find the value by double integral for x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1. Same procedure. You just find out x and y limits by substituting z equal to 0. In order to get x limits, y equal to 0. And finally you are using the formula. This is your answer. 4 pi by 6 into ABC. Similarly, find the value of x square plus y square plus z square equal to a square. Same procedure, 4 by 3 into pi a cube. So with this, the value of a given expression by the double integral topic is closed. So in the next video session, we will enter into value by triple integral. That we will take in the next class. Have a good day.